This is true love. Funny make a one day. Oh, love a sucker. You are my heart and soul, my treasure, my today, tomorrow, my everything. If I had to live my life again, I would find you sooner, so that I could love you longer, love you more. You are my heart and soul, my treasure, my today, tomorrow, my everything. Some people want to know our secret. Some people want to know what they give us joy. They say they want to be like us. People they ask me what I see in you. I just smile. I'm welcome now. I just laugh. You are my everything. You're my true love. I love you so much. You are my heart and soul, my treasure.
I should have read the signs. The signs were there. The signs were there. I just never bothered to read the handwriting on the wall. My boy kept nudging me. He kept passing messages. He went on and on. He went on and on. He never stopped. He kept talking. He kept passing messages. He kept giving me all the signs that I needed, but I never heed to those signs. If I had just listened, I probably would have seen this coming, but I failed to look. I failed to see the signs, and now I have failed. Not only have I failed myself, I have failed my family. I have failed as the man of my home. Ojiofor, this time you have failed. Now where is my boy? Where is my son? Where is he?
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.